Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips, and I'd like to show you an issue with your Apple Watch. This is a Series 10, applies to Series 11 as well, any older or newer devices, all right, especially if you're on the latest update. All right, so as you can see here, you'll notice that the screen is gray. This is not normal, and of course this is not the way it should look. So if, for example, I go back to the lock screen, or should I say the main screen, you'll notice it's also in gray. All right, so of course this could happen to your watch, especially if somebody was playing around with it. They might have caused this. The display is actually not broken. All right, so as you see now, it's a gray display or black and white display. All right, to fix this, go ahead and you're gonna go ahead and find the settings. So go right here that says the gear icon. You're gonna tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you're gonna go down and you're going to search for the option that says accessibility. You're going to go into accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, you're going to scroll through and you're going to notice that color filter is on top, and of course notice it's on grayscale. You're going to go ahead and turn that off. So go ahead and turn color filter off by toggling it off. And we're going to go back. All right, you can actually hit the digital crown, see the color has returned. There you go. Your device is now back to normal and you have your full spectrum of colors. All right, and from now on, you know to turn the color back on just in case somebody turn it off in error. All right, so see you again in the next one, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.